To use coupons on the Walmart app, start by opening the app and navigating to the Services tab. From there, select the Savings Catcher option and then click on Digital Coupons. You will be directed to the coupon page where you can browse through various coupons available for different products. Next, browse through the coupons and select the ones you want to add to your account. You can filter the coupons by category or search for specific products. Once you find a coupon you want to use, click the Add to Cart button to link it to your Walmart account. After adding the coupons, proceed to shop for the items you want to purchase. As you shop, the coupons you added will be automatically applied to the eligible items in your cart. You can view the coupons applied to your items by checking the coupon details on the item page. When you are ready to check out, the coupons will be automatically deducted from the total cost of the items. Make sure to review your order summary to ensure the coupons have been applied correctly. To get the most out of using coupons on the Walmart app, make sure to check the expiration dates of the coupons and the terms and conditions. Some coupons may have restrictions or limitations, so it is essential to read the fine print before using them. Additionally, you can also use the Walmart app to find sales and discounts on items you want to purchase. The app will notify you of any available sales or discounts on the items you are interested in, allowing you to save even more money. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use coupons on the Walmart app to save money on your purchases. Remember to always check the app regularly for new coupons and discounts to maximize your savings.